Korea, a country famous for testing ballistic missiles, has recently revealed two new drones with striking similarities with US-made UAVs, the MQ-9 Reaper and RQ-4 Global Hawk. These drones can be seen maneuvering in the air. The country also disclosed the official designations of the new drones, which are Morningstar 4 for the Global Hawk type and Morningstar 9 for the Reaper type. North Korea introduced these UAVs to the global audience via its state, also sharing captivating footage of the drones in action. Although from look, these drones are similar to American drones, whether their performance is equivalent to US ones is questionable. The engines employed in these new UAVs remain undisclosed, raising the possibility that North Korea might have acquired power plants from foreign countries. Nevertheless, despite potential limitations, these drones hold decent value for North Korea for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. A Reaper drone copy can be seen in the video firing air-to-ground missiles. From the dimensions, these missiles look like US-made Hellfire system, but the missiles hitting the target was not shown, so there are no comments about the accuracy of the weapon. Another aspect of the Global Hawk copy is that it was performing strict maneuvers, which this type of drone should not be performing. This shows that the systems including AESA radar are not installed on the drone, and it is just an airframe with engine. Still, it is considered a success for North Korea with limited budget and access to modern system, that they have flying UAVs. Currently, drones are emerging as cheap and effective weapon. Their affordability in mass production is the prominent feature that countries with limited R&D are developing these systems.